I spent 47 hours last month fighting with YouTube scripts before discovering this game-changing tool. That's nearly 2 full workdays wasted on revisions, research, and formatting. Stick around because I'm about to reveal how Subscriber cuts this process down to just 20 minutes while producing higher quality results. If you ever use ChatGPT for scripts, you know the frustration, generic tone, missing hooks, and endless tweaks. Many creators start with high hopes, only to find output doesn't match their style or engage their audience. The core issue is that those tools often don't understand your brand or the specific tone your viewer expects. Without the connection, scripts fall flat, sounding impersonal and forgettable. Take this example. A ChatGPT generated opening line might say, "Today we'll discuss how to grow your YouTube channel." It's straightforward but lacks energy and uniqueness. Compare that to real YouTube script. 3 months ago, my channel was stuck at 1,000 subscribers. Then I tried this strategy and everything changed. The difference is clear. One feels robotic and the other pulls viewers in with curiosity and relatability. The problem goes deeper than just tone. ChatGPT often misses the critical first few seconds. The hook. The hook that decides whether someone keeps watching. A weak opening means viewers click away, hurting your retention rates. Subscriber addresses this by offering tailored hooks designed specifically for YouTube content. It understands that the first 10 seconds matter most. Then there is the revision cycle. You ask for a script, get something close but not quite right. What should save time ends up wasting it. Many creators abandon AI tool altogether because the output requires too much work to fix. The initial promise of speed disappears when you're stuck rewriting half the script. Here's where Subscriber changes the game. Its channel voice feature learns your style, how you phrase things, your typical structure, even your go-to transitions. And instead of starting from scratch or heavily editing, you get drafts that already sound like you. This cuts down on revisions and lets you focus on refining rather than rebuilding. The key difference, Subscriber is built for YouTube creators, not general purpose writing. It knows what makes a script engaging, hooks, pacing, call to action, and bakes those into the process. ChatGPT can't do that because it isn't specialized. It's like using a Swiss Army knife when you need a scalpel. So what happens when you switch? Less time editing, more time creating scripts that match your voice right out of the gate. And most importantly, content that holds attention because it's designed for your audience from the first word. Now, let's see how Subscriber's step-by-step process works. Here is the exact process Subscriber uses to turn your rough ideas into polished scripts. You start by selecting your YouTube channel, which lets the tool tailor the script to your specific audience and style. This step matters because it sets the foundation for everything else. If you've ever struggled with scripts that don't match your brand, this eliminates the problem upfront. Next, you input your topic. The more details you provide, the better the output. Instead of a vague prompt like video about productivity, you might specify a 10-minute guide to time blocking for freelancers. This level of detail helps Subscriber generate a script that's focused and relevant. The tool also offers a research phase where you can add supporting material. You can search within the tool, paste links, or even upload videos for transcriptions. This ensures your script isn't just generic advice, it's backed by solid sources. One of Subscriber's standout features is channel voice. It analyzes your existing content to replicate your style. For example, if your videos often use personal stories or direct questions to the viewers, it incorporates those elements. You can preview and tweak these settings so the script sounds like you from the first draft. The framing steps helps you find a unique angle. Instead of settling for a generic approach, Subscriber suggests multiple options. You might see frames like 5 mistakes beginners make, or why most time blocking methods fail. This step is crucial because it turns a broad topic into something fresh and engaging. Once the foundation is set, Subscriber generates a draft. It checks that all previous steps are complete, ensuring nothing is overlooked. You can choose to create an outline or a full script, depending on your needs. The draft includes everything: hooks, transitions, and call to actions, structured for viewer retention. The final step is editing. Subscriber reviews the first draft and suggest improvements to storytelling and clarity. You see the original and edited versions side by side, accepting or rejecting changes line by line. What does that mean for you? Less time rewriting, more time creating. Scripts that match your voice and hold attention. A system that handles research, structure, and tone so you don't have to. Now, let's talk about the final touches. Subscriber isn't just another AI tool. It's a tailored solution for creators who want quality without the grind. Instead of wrestling with generic outputs or spending hours tweaking scripts, you get drafts that match your voice from the start. This tool cuts the time you spend writing so you can focus on what matters, creating. Try Subscriber for your next script and let me know how it goes in the comments. I'm curious to hear if it saves you time as much as it did for me. Imagine what you could do with all these extra hours. More filming, editing, or just taking a break. I'll see you in the next one.